Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbuds. Realme Buds Q India launch has been teased just days after the debut of the True Wireless (TWS) earbuds in China. The company is set to launch the new offering with a price tag under 2,000 rupees, which is lower than the recently launched Realme Buds Air Neo. The Realme Buds Q were launched in China earlier this week. The earbuds come in 3 distinct color options and have a pebble-like design. The Realme Buds Q also come with 10mm audio drivers. Realme Buds Q price in India, availability details, expected. The Realme Buds Q price in India is yet to be announced. However, Realme India Chief Marketing Officer Francis Wang has teased the launch of the new earbuds through a tweet that says the earbuds are coming at under 2,000 rupees. Wang has also mentioned that the earbuds are coming soon, though he didn't provide any specific launch date. Realme launched the Buds Q as its new TWS earbuds earlier this week at 149 Chinese yuans, roughly 1,600 rupees. The India pricing is likely to be in line with what's announced in China. Furthermore, the earbuds come in black, white, and yellow color options. The Realme Buds Q in India are likely to give a tough fight to the Redmi earbuds S that Xiaomi launched earlier this week at 1,799 rupees. Realme Buds Q specifications, features. The Realme Buds Q come with 10mm drivers and a Bluetooth V5.0 connectivity support. The earbuds come with a latency rate of 119 milliseconds that's similar to what you'll get on the Realme Buds Air Neo. There are also quick controls that work with touch inputs and allow actions such as play, pause, and skip. The Realme Buds Q also have an IPX4 rating for sweat and water resistance. Realme claims that the Buds Q are lighter than an A4 sheet with a weight of 3.6 grams. The earbuds also have a case that supports 30 watts wired charging. However, you won't get wireless charging that was offered on the Realme Buds Air. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.